Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today is a yard sale haul. Alright, it has been a yard sale season, and honestly it hasn't been that great up until recently when I came across this like crafter's dream yard sale. Pretty much everything was brand new from Walmart, so it's kind of like shopping at Walmart at a really low price. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I feel super rusty on these hauls. I haven't done one of these, I want to say, in months. So bear with me as I try to figure it all out again. Okay, we're going to first start off with some of the smaller items and then jump into bigger items. So these were actually originally from Michael's, and they're just greenery. Some of them have like little flowers on them. And these were all 25 cents each, or it was like 6 or 7 for $1, something like that. So I think it was 6 for $1. So I grabbed 6 of these for $1, which is insane because the regular price is $1.99. So granted, Michael's usually has their stuff half off, so 99 cents a piece. But I got all these for the price of one. So I felt really good about that. The next is greenery. This boxwood greenery is my favorite from Walmart, and I don't feel like I can find it anymore at mine. So let me know in the comments below if your Walmart actually still carries these, because I just cannot find it. And I love using these for wreaths. I haven't made a wreath in a while, but fall time is here, so it's almost here in the crafting world. It's coming up. So I'll definitely be using these for a lot of fall crafts. And then there was like one little eucalyptus pick in there, but these were 5 for $1. So I grabbed, I want to say 5, yeah. And I grabbed 5 of these for $1. The next thing, this was a quarter, so I had to grab it, which I don't even know why. So wired sisal rope, and honestly when I brought this home, I'm like, I'm not really sure why I bought this. It's just going to sit in my craft room. So please, if you guys have used this, let me know what you use it for so I can also use it up, because I try really hard not to overcrowd my craft room. I have overhauled it so many different times, and being a little bit more minimal and picking out items that I know I'm going to use, it's kind of how I've been lately, except with this, like, I don't know, the 25 cent sticker just got me. So it's a regular priced at $2 each, or so it says, and it was on clearance for $1 when they bought it. But this obviously is not going to be used until Easter, but $1 for these Easter eggs. These were normal priced at $8 at Hobby Lobby, which, like I said, there's usually 60% off or something, but still $4, paid $1. I feel like I won. Also, you could never have too many wreath forms. I have not had one of these in quite a while. I reused one over and over and over again until everything was falling apart and there was so much hot glue on it, I couldn't reuse it anymore. But I found a smaller one. I think I am going to be making Halloween crafts this year. I found some really cool ideas that I'm gonna try to do them. But this was only 25 cents. So I'm not sure. Oh, I don't know where this is from, but this says it was only $1.96. So let me know if these are normally $2, because I feel like they are a lot more now. So maybe this is older. It looks like maybe an older Walmart tag, but I could be completely wrong there. But 25 cents. I also grabbed burlap. This was 50 cents for this roll, which this probably wasn't, yeah, no, it was a great deal. I'm gonna say it wasn't like a full roll, but I like to wrap up my wreath forms with this when I use like those foam green ones, or even the wreath forms with the wire, just to kind of cover it. And then I always glue pieces of greenery and whatever I'm gonna use to the burlap, and it just always looks so much prettier. Grabbed these stones. These were 75 cents a piece, and I think these are actually from Walmart, which, I mean, the Dollar Tree ones are $1.25, and I don't even feel like you get this many anymore. So for $1.50 for both of these, it's a steal to me. These two items are just like a random yard sale, but they gave these to me for $1 for both of them. Like this one said $1.50. This one didn't even have a price on it, but they're wedding decor. And if you guys are new to my channel, I love tearing apart people's wedding decor. One, I think it's silly that people spend this kind of money on like a sign for a couple hours. That blows my mind that people spend that kind of money. Like this was $13 for this sign. This one was $7. Like $20 for signs that are gonna last, and then nobody wants them. Like honestly, like I don't know, I find that it just blows my mind every single time. So on wedding decor, and I love finding it on clearance too at Hobby Lobby. It's crazy. I think the only thing that I bought for my wedding, we had like a courthouse wedding. So one, it was like 20 bucks to get married. Then we had like a fun little like get together with our close family and friends. And that's what we did in our backyard. And it was honestly like the best thing. I don't even think we spent over like 600 bucks or something like that. Like it was super inexpensive. It was like my mom bought all of our food. And then I think the only thing that we had to pay for, I bought like some flowers and my dress, and I got my hair done. So I think like that kind of costs more, but other than that, like I made like a wedding bouquet and like tiny centerpieces. It wasn't even like that crazy. And I wanted like the best wedding cake. So I think that cost like, anyways, I have no regrets whatsoever on having a small, tiny wedding. And I have some good pictures. So there we go. And my best friend, she took the pictures at our wedding. So that was free. We've been married for 9 years, since June 26th. So there you go. So 9-year anniversary was in June. Okay, so next up is this giant wood piece. This was $5. I don't even know if I can, yeah, this is how big it is. It has a tiny crack here. And that is why she lowered the price of it. And I'm like, I don't even care. So she was like, oh, I paid like $30 for it, but like, is $5 okay? I'm like, yes. Like, yeah, we can throw in some wood filler there maybe. And I think I'm going to make this into a table. Like, I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do with it. But I thought that was like such an awesome find. This was $1. This looks, it literally says repaint me. This was the coolest garage sale. Like she was selling like all of her stuff to like make tumblers, and it was like seriously like the crafter dream yard sale. But $1 for this sign, and these signs are so pricey. So if I sand this off, it's fine. But I know she picked this up at Walmart because literally all of her signs were from Walmart. Like I brought like $40 to this garage sale, and I spent the whole 40 bucks, which is, I never usually spend that kind of money at a yard sale. I just like to grab these little signs to redo and throw some chalk couture on it. And for $1, you really can't beat it, especially the like Dollar Tree now. Like Dollar Tree and I have had a love-hate relationship for a really long time, but like recently I have gone into Dollar Tree and I am just like disappointed every single time. Like they are moving everything around, so all the prices are going to be in one area instead of like the plus section. It's not a plus section anymore. It's just going to be throughout the store. But it has been a hot mess at my Dollar Tree for months. And I honestly feel bad for the people who work there. Like it looks like it is rough. And I talked to the manager there and she's just like so stressed out. And I just feel so bad for them that like they have to go through so many different changes within like a small amount of time. Like they redid the store and then they brought the Dollar Tree Plus and had to redo it again. And now they're like redoing it again like 2 months later. It's crazy. I feel so bad for them. But anyways, I've been shopping less at Dollar Tree because one, I can't even find anything, but two, they just don't have anything new out. Like nothing's new. Everything, they just keep bringing in the same stuff over and over and over again. And it's just, it's always disappointing. But anyways, back into the haul. So I was like, I gotta get in the motion of this because normally I'm pretty fast with hauls, but I don't have a ton of stuff. So this ain't gonna be like a 50-minute long video, but $3 for this sign. And like I said, a lot of these are from Walmart, and Walmart has gotten super expensive with their signs. Like I think everything that I used to buy for a few dollars is like $9 and like to $17. So I was super excited to find this sale. If you didn't already know, two of these were $1 a piece. And I mean, for a garage sale, I'm like, that's kind of a lot. And at the same time, I'm like, no, it's not. Like, that's a good deal. So I grabbed those. I grabbed another one of these. This one was brand new. This one was $5 too, but there's nothing wrong with it. And it's new. So I also have a really great idea for this as well. I feel like you could do anything with wood. So if I find wood for a good deal, I'm gonna have to pick it up. This I thought was really cute. I honestly am not sure what to do with this one either. I I love galvanized stuff, but I never know actually what to use it for. This one was, I want to say this was a quarter or 50 cents. This one was under $1. But it has a stand, and she had quite a few of these, but I didn't know what to do with them, so I only grabbed one. But I think I'm probably just going to add chalk couture. I love using chalk couture, even if it's not chalk couture, if it's from Amazon, or even like if you have a Cricut, or if you want to put like the larger stickers from Dollar Tree on there, or large wall stickers from anywhere, this would be cool. And then the last thing that I found was this, and this is brand new from Walmart, and I used to buy these quite often, and they all kind of look like this when you buy them, like a little bit messy and scuffed up, but this was $3. And I think these were the ones that are like $16, $17 now at Walmart, and I think I used to pick them up for like $9 that I can remember, or maybe 10. Anyways, $3. It's such a good deal. So I feel like that I got so many great things at this yard sale, and I think I paid $36, not $40, but it was still a lot from a yard sale. But you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this crafters haul. I feel like it's kind of like a Walmart haul, although it is 100% a yard sale. But if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. I just kind of quit doing them. I kind of quit sitting in front of the camera and talking anyways. Like, I have been doing YouTube for almost 7 years in October. I think 7 years in October, and I still feel so weird doing this. Like, I don't know why. I just do. But that is it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love you consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you guys in the next videos. Bye!